Hi everyone, so I'm just making a quick Valentine's Day card to give away for my son to give away to in school. Really quick project. This I believe used to be a slimline die set that I bought off Amazon, and then I just decorated real quickly. Probably not be my Valentine, wouldn't be something that I would give for my son to give to his friends, but probably like Happy Valentine's Day. And then I put stamped out cute little hearts. So here's the pieces that we'll need. Let me show you first the die set that I bought. It looks like this on Amazon. So I used this piece here and then the layering piece right below it. So with that said, I cut one in red and one in white. Just folded it in half. Reinforce the score line, and then this one I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fold it in half. No measurements needed. Just fold in half. And then score. So I'm not going to wrap it. I'm actually, as you saw my sample, I cut it in half. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to use the the trimmer to cut it more precise than by hand. And there you go. I don't like that part, the little score part. But then there you go right there. You've got the halves for it. And then basically we're just gonna put this here as a layering piece, and then the other side, the other half would be the other layering piece. So using old stamps again, but I just like using my stuff that I purchased that I actually like. So red ink is what we'll be using. An old stamp set from Stampin' Up. Just gonna stamp this heart out. Give it a couple seconds so the ink transfers completely. I'm using an old punch as well. It's called a whale punch. Very old. But I tend to use my stuff that I purchased that I really like. Because why not? That's the reason why I purchased it. So there you go. And then I'll take my stamp out real quick so I don't ruin it, and I take care of it. And then we're just going to stamp out a sentiment. This one again is Be My Valentine. There are other options. This one is an old set from Stampin' Up. I've even removed it from its original case. But you could put From My Heart to Yours. P.S. I love you. I love the you and us. So this one is going to be for my husband. So I think I'll probably choose P.S. I love you. He knows I love him. But, you know, it's a card. So let's stamp that in black. Clean my stamp out. Put the stamp back in. I'm going to use an old punch. And we're going to punch it out. Okay. So I have all of those. And then other ingredients to this, as you see, there's several different kinds of hearts. Again, using another old punch from Stampin' Up. I'm using a scrap paper, bringing them in. So we've got pink, light pink, and red. Oops. So now I've got all these choices to choose from. I'm going to take the first piece of this one, basically align it, and kind of try to match this since I've already came up with that. But you can definitely mix and match if you wanted to. I want this guy here. And then I want a red one and a pink one. So not as similar, but very similar. And then these guys you can use for another project if you want to. I'm going to put on a foam tape just because it looks better. It gives it dimension. So let's do that. Remove these little guys out for now. Align it. Same for this. Give a nice angle. Right there. And then these little guys, the little hearts, I'm not gonna put them in dimensional or foam tape. I'm just gonna glue them down just because the other three are already propped up. So I want to make it a little bit different. And then the little red heart. So there you go. Well, let's see. I want this one to be slanted a little bit more. There you go. So now I'm just going to put P.S. I love you. Here, look at the little eye. It's a heart. It's adorable. All right, so now I'm going to get a smaller tape in width. So on this one, find our center like that. And it's really cute, really quick and easy. All right, so then I'm going to take this, I'm going to stamp out the cute little hearts on the corners, and that one I'm using a different stamp set that comes from this stamp set here, Be My Valentine. I'm going to use this little cute little hearts there. Just going to put it in the corner just like the other one, just so it's not so plain. Bring out my stamp and my trash, and now let's just glue it. Pretty quick. You guys can make some of these really quick. Share with the kiddos or just coworkers. Probably not the P.S. I love you, you know, but even your husband or your child, anybody, grandchildren, anybody you want to wish a Valentine's Day to. So let's just open this up. We're going to layer it. Again, just aligning, making sure it looks good, not crooked. And if you're happy, stick it down. All right, so that's that. And then that's the front. So very quick to make. I like the scallop. It just gives it that detail with the stitching. It's very cute. Again, one sheet, fold half, the other layer, cut in half. Now you've got two cute Valentine's, pretty quick cards that you can make for Valentine's Day. Doesn't have to be too intricate. Quick and simple sometimes is fun to do as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this project with, or sitting back and crafting with me. I appreciate all your time, and thank you so much for everything that you guys have done for me. All right, guys, this is the project. Pretty quick and easy again. Anybody can do this pretty quickly, especially when you're crunched for time. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Have a good week and stay safe, and hope to see you guys again next time. Bye, guys.